Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring you have a working internet connection and a DNS changer tool on your phone. Once done, open the app or settings and record the current DNS values so you can revert if needed. Next, pick a trusted resolver that supports encrypted DNS or a known public resolver IP. This matters because TikTok access depends on name resolution. Make the first DNS entries, primary then secondary, and apply them. You'll test connectivity immediately after applying. Once you've set basic DNS, move to encrypted DNS to prevent ISP tampering and improve reliability. In the app or OS settings, choose Do H or Do T and input the resolver details. If provider profiles exist, select one and confirm. After saving, flush the device DNS cache, toggle airplane mode for a few seconds or reboot. Then restart TikTok so it requests fresh DNS answers. Make sure to monitor loading times. If DNS is slow, swap to an alternate resolver quickly. Now finalize by verifying that TikTok resolves correctly. Open the app and try multiple pages and video loads. Use a simple DNS lookup app to confirm TikTok. COM resolves to sensible addresses. If it fails, revert to the DNS values you saved and try a different public resolver. Some providers block or filter domains. Also clear the app cache and toggle airplane mode to force fresh DNS. If problems continue, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to isolate network filtering as the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.